National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, central Plymouth County in northwestern Iowa, north central Dixon County in northeastern Nebraska, eastern Clay County in southeastern South Dakota, southern Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota, Union County in southeastern South Dakota, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beresford, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alcester around 8:55 p.m. Hayward around 9 p.m. Hudson around 9:05 p.m. Ironton around 9:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Sioux Center and Morris. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, Sioux, and Plymouth, and the following counties in South Dakota: Lincoln, Union and Clay, and Dixon, Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect